When it comes to home improvement, one of the most impactful updates you can make is installing a new door. Whether it's replacing an old, worn-out entry door or upgrading to a stylish patio door, a professional door installation can enhance the look, security, and functionality of your home. If you're in Brandon, Florida, you may be considering doing it yourself or hiring a professional. While DIY projects can be rewarding, there are numerous benefits to choosing a professional door installation. Here are the top advantages of opting for expert installation services. Enhanced curb appeal. The entryway of your home sets the tone for the entire property, and the right door can make a significant difference in your home's appearance. A professional installation ensures your new door fits perfectly and aligns seamlessly with your existing architecture. Whether you choose a modern, sleek design or a traditional wooden door, professional installation will ensure it's installed with precision, which not only improves the overall aesthetic of your home but also increases its market value. For homeowners in Brandon, where real estate is competitive, investing in a high-quality door can make your property stand out. Improved security. Security is a top concern for every homeowner. A professionally installed door offers enhanced protection against intruders. Experts will help you choose doors made from high-quality materials, such as reinforced steel or solid wood, which provide better security than a flimsy DIY installation. Additionally, professional installers are skilled in aligning and fitting the door perfectly within the frame, ensuring that there are no gaps or weaknesses. This minimizes the chances of break-ins, making your home safer for your family. Energy efficiency. Did you know that an improperly installed door can lead to drafts and higher energy bills? When doors aren't properly sealed, they allow air to escape or enter, forcing your heating and cooling system to work harder. This results in higher energy consumption. A professional door installation ensures that the door is fitted tightly, minimizing heat loss and preventing drafts. Many professional installers also offer energy-efficient door options that are designed to provide better insulation, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round and potentially lowering your utility bills. Long-term durability. A door is a significant investment, and you want it to last for many years. Professional installers bring expertise to the table, ensuring that your door is installed with the proper techniques and tools. With their attention to detail, your door will be installed correctly, preventing issues like misalignment, warping, or sagging. An experienced installer knows how to handle the various materials, whether it's wood, fiberglass, or steel, and can guarantee that the door will remain functional and durable for years. This kind of longevity is hard to achieve through DIY installations, where shortcuts may lead to premature wear. Time saving and convenience. Installing a door can be a time-consuming task, especially if you're not experienced with home improvement projects. A professional door installation service in Brandon can complete the job efficiently, often in just a few hours, so you don't have to spend your weekend trying to figure out complex installation instructions. Professionals come prepared with all the necessary tools, and they can handle any unexpected challenges that might arise during installation. By hiring an expert, you avoid the hassle of dealing with mistakes or needing to redo the job. Warranty and support. Most professional door installation services offer warranties on both the doors and the installation process. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong, you have support to fix it without additional costs. If your door experiences issues such as malfunctioning hardware, the installation team will be there to make the necessary repairs. A warranty also guarantees that you are receiving a high-quality product that has been installed correctly. Expert advice on choosing the right door. With so many options available, choosing the right door for your home can be overwhelming. Professional installers can offer valuable insights into which doors are best suited for your needs, whether you're looking for enhanced security, aesthetic appeal, or energy efficiency. They can also guide you on the latest trends and materials, ensuring that your investment complements the style and function of your home. Conclusion. While it might be tempting to install a door yourself to save money, the benefits of professional door installation far outweigh the cost savings. From enhanced security and energy efficiency to improved curb appeal and long-lasting durability, hiring a professional ensures that the job is done right the first time. For homeowners in Brandon, investing in professional door installation can elevate your home's aesthetics, increase its value, and provide peace of mind for years to come.